Hey guys, I just wanted to jump on really quick and show you how to make your own DIY dry shampoo. Super easy and really great for your scalp and your hair. So I've been training my hair so I don't have to wash it so much, and I've had a lot of issues with my scalp just getting irritated from various products. So I've been using doTERRA's shampoo and conditioner, and my scalp is awesome. But I usually can go every other day and wash my hair, and I notice I still can get like a little bit of dryness. So I want to go and wash my hair like every 4 to 5 days and see if that just helps. And today I'm on day 5, so tomorrow I will wash it. But here is a really great recipes you can do. So you can get yourself some arrowroot powder if you're blonde or brunette. If you're brunette, you can get cocoa powder and add it with the arrowroot powder. So I would say, I have a little jar right here. I already made some up. And you can take like 3 tablespoons arrowroot powder, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and pulse it in a Vitamix, a dry Vitamix, or in a food processor. And it'll mix it all up really nice. If you're heavily highlighted like me and blonde, like I'm very highlighted, I'm normally a brunette now, I just use the straight arrowroot powder. So, and if I need to, if I go more sandy blonde, I'll add like a tablespoon of cocoa powder and pulse that. So you get that ready, and then I am gonna make a new one for you. So I take that, and it's just a nice powder. I'm just gonna take this and fill it up. So it's definitely not totally measuring. And I'm gonna make this for my friend who is very, very blonde. And then you're gonna pick like what essential oils you want. Ones that are common to use for dry shampoo and scalp are lavender, rosemary, melaleuca. You could use cedarwood, peppermint. I usually do a variation of 2 combos. I like to use melaleuca, lavender, and peppermint, or rosemary, peppermint, lavender, just depending on what mood I'm in. So this is probably good. So I'll just fill it like this much. And I got these off of shareoils.com. You can go to Hobby Lobby. It's just like a spice thing, really. There's lots of places that carry it. So here is my rosemary, and I'm just gonna do like 2 to 3 drops of each. So here's 1, 2, 3. And then I have melaleuca. I just like tea tree. It's really fresh and clean. So I'll do 1, 2, 3. But some people love peppermint, and they'll do peppermint with lavender and rosemary. And lavender, rosemary, cedarwood, melaleuca are really known for helping with scalp and hair regrowth. So I did 3 drops of each, and this is just a metal straw, but I just stir it up like this, and just make sure you can get it all like pulsed through. It smells amazing. And then you can seal the top, and I got the lid right here, and then just shake it. So then what you can do is the top will have a lot of stuff on it, and I just got a cheap blush brush, like a powder brush, Nordstrom Rack, Target, wherever. Don't spend a lot of money. And then just put a little bit right here, see that? And you just comb it through the roots where the oil is, or underneath, and you'll put some right there, and then it'll just start absorbing, and your hair will not feel gross at all. So it smells so good. That is a really easy way to do dry shampoo. And if you're a brunette, just get organic cocoa powder and then pulse it through with the arrowroot powder in a food processor, so it's all mixed through. And if you're really dark haired, you could just use a lot more cocoa powder with the arrowroot. But and then brush it through, and it'll be an awesome non-toxic way to use dry shampoo and actually extend the length between the times that you wash your hair. And after you get to a certain point, your hair will stop producing so much oil, and it will actually hold curl better and just be healthier. So because I highlight my hair so much, I just don't want to wash it and process it so much. And I'll probably go more sandy blonde this fall and just have more of my natural color, so then I'll have more cocoa powder. So I just wanted to show you guys that, and I will post it on the blog as well.